that's cool.
Hello? Any musicians down here who want to jam? The party's about to begin.
Good looking for musicians, you don't have far to go. Tell the people not to go you so.
Ooh, that was rough. Oh. So glad I got a poncho on. I plan ahead. Yeah, you'll definitely get wet on this one. They've made some changes.
Tiana wasn't kidding, y'all. This Zydeco band she found can play. Hallelujah!
That's two people sitting behind me on the same log. That's pretty cool.
Welcome to Land. No doubt. We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
Yeah, you know.
Tiana, you were right. The Bayou's got just...
They sure can't play, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How long can I know?
I'm asking all.
I'm just like me. I'm just excited. Y'all ready to get down to business? Y'all ready to get down to business?
Car that I am, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, there's a big drop at the end. But yeah, there's a couple big drops inside it. Oh yeah, Yeah, I just got wet again.
Been there, done that. But you found the sound I was crazy.
This is the big drop.
You said, if you got the side, so it might look pretty, but that's Hope you enjoyed getting tiny.
Oh,
Now let's get you back to your big old beautiful self. Let's get you big again. Cause the bigger you are, the bigger the splash you'll make at the heart.
it's not really a roller coaster, but just watch the drop and you can make that determination if you want to do it or not. Just watch the drop and you can make that determination if you want to do it or not.
You'll get there in no time. Here it comes.
All right, here we go. This is the drop. Wasn't too bad. You definitely get wet on this ride. You guys got drenched, didn't you?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Okay.